What's up, guys? Welcome back to Enzone. I hope you all are having a great weekend. In this video, we're going to talk about how to start trading. A video has been requested a few times. I've been wondering if you're going to make it or not, because down the path you build up bit knowledge and you forget how complicated it was in the beginning. So I hope I can make some of that confusion away. And the first thing you actually need is a broker. And in my opinion, you should use a safe broker who is regulated and licensed, so you know you're going to get some of your profits, or they in general want to make you want to make money. There are some brokers who have a lot of commission and spread, so it's hard to make actually some profits within the investments you make. A broker will actually offer good reading materials, or they want you to build some knowledge to do well in the market, will provide good customer service so you have no questions whatsoever. And what broker I use is going to be in the bio, in the description, with a link how to sign up, and that's why we're going to go through this video. And when you click on the link, based off if you're on your mobile, you pick either Europe or UK, depends on where you are, or the PC is going to be the PC link. All right, and then you're going to get to this site. Register now. It's quick. Within FxPro, you're going to fill in your name, country, last name, email, and password. Then you have to fill in some personal details: when you're born, your mobile number. You're going to fill in your address, and then there are going to be some personal questions. It's very individual. Everyone has different answers. Filling some everything that fits you. Okay. Financial information. If you are a US citizen and have tax for their purposes, you click on yes or no if you don't. And fill in what you're going to trade. If it's only CFD, Forex, indices, commodities, or shares as well. If it's everything, fill in everything. Forex is like valuta. Indices and commodities is like gold and font, in Norway call it. And then you have shares and CFDs. In my opinion, you can fill in, for example, shares, Forex, and indices, which we are trading. Trading experience, fill in honestly, and that you're going to get some knowledge within Enzone, so you can fill in maybe a bit more knowledge than you have, because we're going to teach you during your trading experience. Okay. Knowledge scoring, fill in so much correct as possible. This is like an exam. If you fail, then you have to go through customer service and get a demo account first of all before you can invest your own real money. And yeah, just Google them, and they're already going to build some knowledge, for example. And the first question, for example, is one lot. If your leverage is 100 leverage, is like 1,000 euros. After verification is completed, you will receive a mail with login details to MetaTrader. The verification requirements is that you attach a file, picture of your ID, and a bill which verify that you actually live in that place you have confirmed upon your registration, and name with a good date, recent date. And then you're gonna get this mail from FxPro, which says, which gives you your login number, password, and the server. When you receive this mail, you're gonna go on App Store or Play Store and download MetaTrader 4. Okay. When you have downloaded MetaTrader 4, you have to remember your details, have it up on your PC so you can see the number, password, and the server. You're gonna click on Settings on the app, and you're going to click on New Account. Then you're going to click on Login to an existing account, because the broker has already made an account for you. Okay. And then you're going to search up FxPro. The server depends on your account. In my case, it was real 05. So I'm going to click on that server. Then I'm going to fill in the details, the login number I received and the password. And then I'm going to click sign in. And now I can actually trade. Okay. I hope this made the registration process easier. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more good content. Peace.